Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Install ClipCash, verify your email, and link a bank or card. Once done, grant notifications and set a PIN or biometric unlock for quick access. Now open the app and complete the onboarding prompts. Provide ID only when requested for verification. Make sure your bank supports ACH or instant transfer options, since payout speed depends on that. Finally, fund your account with the minimum amount shown so you can begin sending or receiving clips immediately. You now build and publish a clip. Tap the plus icon, record or upload media, and write a concise title and description that explains value. Next, choose pricing or mark free, set privacy and expiration, and apply redemption limits like 1/day if needed. Make sure to preview the clip, check audio and thumbnail, and confirm fee and tax settings so net receipts are correct. Once you publish, monitor processing and review analytics to see views and conversions. Adjust metadata if engagement is low. You finish by withdrawing funds and finalizing the clip lifecycle. Request a payout and choose instant transfer, note higher fees, or standard ACH that takes 0 to 3 business days. Confirm bank details, remaining balance, and whether tax docs like Form 1099 apply at year-end. Once withdrawn, archive or delete the clip if it's a one-off. If a payout fails, check routing numbers and ID verification. Make sure your bank allows transfers, then retry after 24 hours. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.